Here's how to loose lace Nike Air Force Ones. Start by taking a hold of your lace, and we're going to feed the little metal tag onto the lace by flipping it upside down, and then you're going to feed the lace up through one of the holes and down through the other one. Pull it through, flip it back over, and it should look like this. And then you just want to bring it to the middle point of the lace. Easiest way to do this is just take the two lace ends together and pull that until it reaches the middle point. Great, once you have that sorted, you can pause the video for a minute if you need to. And when you have it sorted, we're going to make sure it's on the right way up. And we're going to take our lace ends down into the two very bottom eyelets on either side. So let's feed one down to the side first. Pull it through. And then we're going to swap to the other one and bring it down into the very bottom eyelet on the other side. Looking good. You want to make sure that's sat nicely in the middle. Great. Then we're going to keep a hold of our lace on the right, smooth it out, and we're going to bring it over to the left and down into the next eyelet up from the bottom on the left from above. So feed that lace through, just like that. Then we're going to swap to our other lace, bring it over to the right, and we're going to take it down into the next eyelet up from the bottom on the right from above. Now you don't want to pull these through too tight because this is a loose lacing style and you want your feet to be able to slip in and out. Then we're going to keep a hold of our lace on the right, bring it over to the left and down into the next empty eyelet from above. Looking good. Swap to our lace on the left, bring it over to the right and down into the next empty eyelet from above. Now remember, you can play this video on a half speed or pause as much as you need to. There's no rush at all, and it's just about getting it right. Great, now we're going to keep a hold of our lace on the right, bring it over, and down to the next empty eyelet on the left. Swap to our left hand lace, bring it over, down to our next empty eyelet on the right. Now, as this is a loose lacing style, we don't actually use the tongue loop, so don't worry about that for this style. Keep a hold of your lace on the right, bring it over to the lace on the left, down to the next empty eyelet. Swap to the lace on the left, bring it over to the right and down into the next empty eyelet. Looking good, we're getting there. Keep a hold of your lace on the right, bring it over to the left, down to the next empty eyelet. Swap to your lace on the left, take it to the right, and down to the next empty eyelet. That should always be the same lace on top as we've been doing it. Just make sure you've always got the same one on top. Looking good. Keep a hold of your lace on the right, bring it over to the left, down to the next empty eyelet. Swap to your lace on the left, bring it over to the right, and down to the next empty eyelet. Now you might have more or less eyelets than me, depending on your shoe size, but we continue this all the way up until we reach the final eyelets. Then we do something a little different here. Keep a hold of your lace on the right, bring it up through that final eyelet on the left from underneath this time, and you want to pull it through around about this much. Don't worry about this excess lace, we'll sort it in a second. Then swap to your lace on the left, bring it over to the right and up through that final empty eyelet from underneath and pull it through around this much. Then take a hold of these excess laces and just simply tuck them behind the sneaker tongue out of sight. And they'll sit on top of your foot as you slip your feet in and out, and you won't need to tie them up each time. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of loose lace Nike Air Force Ones. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people and consider subscribing for your sneaker lacing content. Thanks a lot, guys.